A trick for using an image as a logo, but is also has alt text, since in Drupal you can't add alt text to a logo, but there is a way around that. So you would have to go into the settings of the theme, so whichever theme that you've picked, click on settings, and then you're going to go into, no, you're not going to go there. You're going to go into the toggle advanced elements, and you're going to choose to hide the site name. And then down here under toggle display, you're going to add logo. And then you're also going to keep site name checked. And then down here, you're going to go and upload the logo. Now I need to find that, which is really bad. Where is it? Okay, there's the logo. And then you save this. Now the trick is you have to make sure that in your configuration, you also have to do that on the Delta, but you also have to make sure that your configuration and the site information says the Macmillan Center, and this is for the newsletters. So this is the text that will show up as the alt text, and by configuring the appearance settings, again, you're going to go into settings and down into toggle advanced elements, make sure site name is checked and make sure logo and site name are checked, then upload the logo. And then that will make sure that the logo, now this is the home page, there it is, that this makes sure that there's alt text on the logo. Okay, great.